Thinking about Bali, whether you're a foodie, nature lover, or just need a tropical escape, this guide has you covered. Stick with me and I'll help you eat, explore, pack smart, and travel respectfully. Let's get started. Part 1. Food to try and places to visit. Let's dive into Bali's must-try foods and iconic places. First up, nasi goreng, Bali's flavorful fried rice topped with a golden egg sheet. Delicious and everywhere. Then there's barbecuing, crispy roast pork seasoned with rich Balinese spices. For seafood lovers, head to Jimbaran Bay for fresh grilled fish by the beach. On the sightseeing front, visit Uluwatu Temple perched on a cliff, where sunsets are magical. If you love adventure, hike Mount Bachelor at dawn for a sunrise that makes every step worth it. Nature lovers, don't miss the stunning Tigolaling rice terraces near you, but it's like stepping into a postcard, ready for your adventure. Part 2. What to prepare packing for Bali. Here's what you need. Start with lightweight clothes for the tropical heat, but pack a light jacket if you're planning to trek Mount Bachelor, visiting temples. Bring a sarong to cover your knees and shoulders, it's a must. Sun protection is key. Bring sunscreen, a wide brim hat, and sunglasses. For footwear, comfortable sandals or hiking shoes are perfect for temple visits and exploring rice terraces. Pro tip, grab a local Telkomsel SIM card for affordable data. Keep small repeated bills for street food and market shopping. And bring a reusable water bottle to reduce plastic waste. Ready to go. Part 3. What to do and what not to do. Want to travel respectfully in Bali? Here's what you need to know. Do. Always wear a sarong at temples, it's a sign of respect. Bargain politely at markets, but keep it friendly. Explore sustainably by avoiding single-use plastics and supporting local businesses. Don't step on Kenang Sari. The small flower offerings on sidewalks are sacred. Litter Bali's natural beauty depends on respectful visitors. Touch anyone's head, it's considered sacred in Balinese culture. Overstay your visa fines can be expensive and stressful. Follow these tips and Bali will welcome you with open arms, like this guide. Subscribe for more travel tips and let's keep exploring.